Static electricity is detrimental to many processes. It can attract contamination, cause shocks to operators, and create sparks that could start fires or damage sensitive electronic components. It can be created when insulative materials come into contact with each other, when they're cut, or when plastics are moulded. Electric fields and radiation such as UV light can also cause static electricity. Here we're looking at the Fraser X series range of high-performance ionising bars, which are highly effective at removing static charges for short or long-range applications. They feature built-in reactive switchable intelligence systems that set new levels of static neutralisation performance. X series intelligence has simple on-bar adjustment, so the operator can precisely tune the performance for each installation. With intelligence mode selected, the X series reacts to the exact polarity and charge level on the product to achieve the fastest possible neutralisation. There are 4 models: the X12F and L, X20 and the X33, with operating ranges spanning 40mm to 1.5 meters depending on the model. Installation is simple using the supplied T-slide mountings, and the bars are available in lengths from 300mm to 6 meters depending on the model. LED displays on the bar's end cap show the operational status, including the need for cleaning, material charge polarity, selected operating distance and intelligence mode selection. This information can be output to a PLC. All X series bars have tungsten emitter pins. On the X20 and X33 models, these are replaceable for a longer service life. Power is supplied by a Fraser mains PSU or 24-volt cable connected to the machine's 24-volt circuits. Applications range from high-speed web material to neutralisation of winders, unwinders and many other long-range wide applications. To find the ideal product for your needs, simply contact the sales team.